New details on what may have happened to 4-year-old Malachi Lawson in the days before his death. The little boy's body was found in a dumpster in northwest Baltimore on Saturday, just days after his mother had reported him missing. Now his mother and her partner each face 11 criminal charges in connection with his death. WMAR-2 News' Megan Knight's live in northwest Baltimore, not far from that dumpster where Malachi's body was found. Megan, a lot of people just have to be wondering how something like this could happen. There's a candlelight vigil tonight to remember Malachi Lawson.
Yeah, and I'm sure it's going to be very well attended tonight, Christian. That candlelight vigil happening at 6 o'clock tonight at 4533 North Rogers Avenue, not far from where we are here on Hayden Avenue. You can see behind me this memorial that has been set up for 4-year-old Malachi Lawson, because we're right in the area where his body was found in a dumpster on Saturday. And the charging documents in this case paint a very painful picture of what may have happened to him right before his death. According to those documents, his mom, Alicia Lawson, and her partner, Shatika Lawson, were giving him a bath on July 23rd. They noticed that the water was causing serious burns on the lower half of his body. They were so severe that they could see pieces of his skin floating in the water. But instead of taking him to get help, the women told detectives that they tried to treat him on their own for fear that he would be taken away from them by Child Protective Services. And then last Thursday, that's 9 days after that bath happened, the documents say that Alicia found Malachi unresponsive in a puddle of wetness on his bed. She told police she thought he was dead, so she wrapped him in a blanket, got a Lyft ride, then came over here to Hayden Avenue, where she put his body in a dumpster. Now both women are facing a number of charges, including involuntary manslaughter and child abuse. A judge denied them bail yesterday, and during that bail review, Shatika's attorney argued that she wanted to get help for Malachi, but she didn't want to go against his mother's wishes. The attorney also telling the judge that after that bath happened on July 23rd, Shatika did call the landlord to have their hot water fixed. Now, we did reach out to Child Protective Services through the State Department of Human Services. They could not tell us that they had any previous contact with the Lawson family, but in their statement to WMAR-2 News, they told us that they are now working with law enforcement to investigate this case. We're live in Northwest Baltimore. Megan Knight, WMAR-2 News.